Welcome to this X8R video demonstrating our BMW cast iron exhaust manifold. You can see here our complete kit. This includes replacement exhaust studs, replacement copper nuts to fit onto the studs, replacement bolts which fasten the turbo to the exhaust manifold, a replacement high-quality gasket to fit between the exhaust manifold and the turbo, and 3 high-quality gaskets which sit between the exhaust manifold and the cylinder head. You can see here our cast iron exhaust manifold. This is cast solidly from iron, and it is a much better design when compared to the original OEM parts, which crack and split, causing vehicle problems. You can see here one of the original stainless steel manifolds, which was prone to cracking. These welds can crack, but also the whole manifold can crack, including the underneath. You can see here our replacement gaskets being fitted to the cylinder head. And also the gasket being fitted to the turbo. Our exhaust manifold, as you can see here, is a direct fit onto the cylinder head and mates up perfectly with the turbo. This is a very straightforward, clean fit with no modifications needed. See that this seats nicely and lines up correctly. You can see here the exhaust manifold successfully fitted. Thank you for watching this X8R video. If you have any questions, you can contact us on 01843 446643, or you can email us at sales@x8r.co.uk. Thank you.